Guys, it's beautiful right here. Bunch of pine trees. Look at the size of these pine trees. And some other freaking trees. I don't know what the hell you call those trees, but I only know pine tree. It's so gorgeous here though. Huh? What you think, Matt? I mean, Matt. Martin. So beautiful. Oh, it sounds so beautiful here. That's a creek. Awesome. So gorgeous. Look at this. This is beautiful. Look at all these logs. That's a trail. Just follow the trail. So beautiful here. Cool. See you guys later. Alright. I flew this whole gym right here and this main divide. The main drain. Oh my god. So beautiful. Left here we come. Taking a break actually, let's take a break. Guys, I need to take a break. Alright. Woo! Man! Hi! Hi, baby. A lot of flies here. Hate those things. So beautiful. Full of frogs. Trees. Awesome, love it. Look at the trunk of this tree. That's a big damn tree. Cool. Talk to you guys later. Yeah, this is sick right here, guys. We're on a main divide right here. We just got off the Holy Gem to the Grand Divide. Go toward the towers right here, Santiago Peak, and this one of the views from the main divide. Look at this beautiful. That's a great shot right here. Look at this. That's just gorgeous. Alright, I gotta keep going, guys, before I take too much time in here. So you see you guys, go Lakers. God, we are the top right here, guys. Not the highest point, but we are top. And now it is, what time is it now? 1:50. 1:50. This is gorgeous. See, look at that. Look at the view. This is gorgeous. Martin been waiting there for me. He was ahead of me about probably 3/4 mile. Oh my God! Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. 360. This. The top right there. We are the top. Fuck it. We are the top, man, right there. This is the towers right there. Oh, so beautiful. Look at this. Look at the mountain, Big Bear right there. Look at the trail. Look at the trail we've been on. Whew. That's crazy. Look at that. So beautiful here, guys. Completely out of breath. Look, you can see, oh God, almost every mountain range in Los Angeles County, Orange County, and some of Santiago County, and different Riverside and Palm Spring, and all these mountains. Whew. That was great, guys. So took us 6 hours to get here. Now we're here. Now mountain right there. And this is snow on the mountain for Big Bear right there. Whew. So beautiful. Ah. Yay, yay, yay. Look at that. Wow. Dude. That's awesome. Check this out, Martin. Check this out. Lakes. Lake Matthew, I think this is Lake Matthew. Oh, dude, that just straight drop down, dude. Straight drop. Look at that. Woo! Wow. Gorgeous. Martin, you don't want to miss this, dude. Come and check it out. I know, baby, but look at this. This is so beautiful here. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So gorgeous. Heaven bless you. Videotape myself, see it? Me and freaking Inland Empire, Lake Matthews, Los Angeles, downtown. You can't even see it too. Can't see freaking everywhere. So beautiful from here. Awesome. Talk to you guys later.
You gotta work on your upper muscles, that's all.
Yeah.
Totally different set of muscles.
Yeah. Whew. Oh guys, look at the peak. Yes. Oh my God. Oh dude. Good job, Martin.
I'll catch
you. Go. I see you, baby. You go, man. Might take a long time to get there. I'm dead. Finally. Whew. Oh, we're at the peak. Saddleback Peak, baby, Santiago. That's awesome. Oh man. Awesome. So excited right now, guys. Oh, so excited. This is awesome. Look at all the towers. Whew. All right. Alright guys, I gotta put the camera away. This is, video when I'm top. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Go like this. Wish me luck. Hey guys, finally made it right. My foot, my muscles killing me right now. Ah. Whew. Long hike. It's 140 right now, 144, 142. It is crazy. So about 6 hours it took us to get here. Close to 6 hours. Whew. I'm just dead. Man, it's gonna be torture going down too, because it's gonna be cold as hell. Alright, there's Martin somewhere. Where is Martin? Oh, he's right there. Let's see. The view should be beautiful from here. And just exactly what I thought. Look at that. Huh? Oh, is it a helicopter? I don't see none. Crazy. Ocean, we can't see the ocean from here. Too bad we can't see Catalina or St. Martin's, they're hazy. Go up. Huh? What's that?
Go all the way around to get the views.
Oh, I see the helicopter. That's awesome. We are higher than the helicopter. Oh, it's coming to get us. Give us a ride. Or find us. I hope not. Whew. This is awesome. Huh? Helicopter, man, this is crazy. What's they gonna get on something? Whew. Helicopter. That's awesome. That's cool. That's awesome, dude. He waved to us. Whew. Look at this.
Sheriff wave at you at 5,500 or something.
Thank you. That's awesome. Only RAMIDOGG, dude. I gotta go see the view from that spot. Huh?
Walk around the whole thing.
Huh?
Walk around it. It's a circle.
Think so? Whew. Alright, time to go, dude. Take some pictures and we're gonna leave. This is awesome. Look at these things. Martin. What? Dude, I did plenty walking today.
You're fine?
Yeah.
Turn around.
Just take a fucking break in here, then we'll get the hell out of here. Guys, it was great. No smoking, no open flame or other source of ignition permitted within 50 feet. We will not do it, sir. We will follow that. This is heavy duty right here. That's awesome. Dude, that was such a cool experience. A helicopter face to face, you know, and the helicopter still about like 5,500 feet. That's spectacular. Only RAMIDOGG. I love sheriffs. That's cool. Alright. Martin. Come on, guys. I'm gonna put the camera away for the rest of the trip because we're gonna go whole ass down. It was a great hike. Right now the time is, what is it? It's 15 to 2. Okay, the views is spectacular here. You can see Big Bear, the ocean. I mean, let's do 360. Kinda. This is gonna block it here. You'll see what I'm talking about. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this beautiful views. Oof. Cool. Thank you guys so much. Great trip. Talk to you guys later. Go Lakers.